If you've been looking into Lipo Ear Wax Removal reviews, you may be wondering whether this cleansing kit is actually worth trying or if the results are being overstated. With plenty of ear care products competing for attention, I decided to take a closer look at what Lipo claims to offer and what customers are actually saying. Before we go further, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. The Lipo Earwax Cleansing Kit is marketed as a complete at-home ear cleaning routine. The package includes earwax removal drops, a bulb syringe, and ear plugs. According to the product description, the drops are designed to help loosen and break down earwax, while the syringe is intended to help rinse the ear afterward. One feature highlighted by the brand is its peroxide-free formula. The product is powered by gluconolactone, which is described as helping cleanse and exfoliate while supporting overall ear hygiene. The product is also promoted for people who experience regular wax buildup. However, it's important to remember that individual results can vary, and ear-related concerns aren't always caused by wax alone. Looking at customer feedback, the overall rating provided for this review is 4.2 out of 5 stars, with several buyers reporting positive experiences. Some customers say the drops helped loosen stubborn buildup, and that the included bulb syringe made the cleaning process relatively simple. One reviewer described being surprised by the amount of wax removed, while another said the product helped improve hearing in an affected ear after one treatment. Another customer praised the kit for being easy to use and said it didn't cause irritation during their experience. But the reviews aren't entirely positive. Some customers reported that the product didn't perform noticeably better than other earwax removal options. One reviewer said the kit worked, but felt it wasn't any faster or more effective than less expensive alternatives. There were also complaints about packaging. A couple of buyers reported receiving damaged or leaking products, although at least one customer said a replacement was sent with better packaging. Perhaps the biggest concern comes from a reviewer who said the product initially appeared to work, but later seemed to leave wax buildup that affected their hearing. They ultimately used another product to address the issue. So, is Lipo Ear Wax Removal worth considering? Based on the customer feedback provided, the answer appears to be mixed. Several users report good results and find the kit convenient, while others experienced limited results or preferred competing products. The biggest takeaway is that this product may work differently for different people. If you're considering trying it, carefully follow the product instructions and avoid using ear cleaning methods that could cause injury. If you have significant ear pain, drainage, hearing problems, or a history of ear issues, it's best to seek advice from a qualified healthcare professional. Overall, Lipo Ear Wax Removal appears to have a generally positive customer rating, but the mixed experiences suggest that buyers should keep their expectations realistic and consider their individual ear care needs before purchasing.